Hey, if you want to get better sound quality of your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, you can do this in the two ways. So first, select your FreeBuds Pro 3 in the Huawei AI Live application. Then you have to turn off the noise control, that's very important, and you got option of the sound effects. So here you can find 6 default presets that you can switch and pick this one that fits your preferences the best, but also you can create your own by tapping on the plus in the right upper corner. So you can set up the sliders, the effects to your own preferences and then click save. As you can see, it's selected automatically. And the most important thing is to go to the sound quality and switch from the connection quality to the sound quality. And thanks to this, you will enable the LDAC audio codec. And as you can see right now, we did it. So it will sound a little bit better, and you can tell me if there's any difference in your case. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.